Girl. Welcome to Fearless Jean's Southern Cuisine. Ooh, our dog is chasing squirrels along the fence line. My dad was in pharmaceutical sales for a long time, and he would occasionally have families over for dinner, whether they be clients or just friends. And I don't think I was born at this time, but the family that came over had a little daughter who was about my brother's age. My brother's about 5 years older than me. And my mother could not make biscuits to save her life. Somehow they would always end up messed up. So on this particular night, this family, their daughter was little, and about halfway through the meal, she asked her parents if she could have another vanilla wafer. And my mom was probably mortified because the biscuits were super thin, and here is this guest asking for a vanilla wafer. So I think it was many years later that my mom actually got good at making biscuits. But my dad, after that, I think my dad always made the biscuits in the house. So today on Fearless Jean's Southern Cuisine, I have cheese garlic biscuits to share with you. Oh, Polly, I'm gonna sit here so I can see the chickens. Cheese garlic biscuits in my mother's own handwriting. Two cups of Biscuit, 2/3 cup of milk, a half cup of cheddar cheese shredded, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna heat your oven to 450. You're gonna mix the Biscuit, milk, and cheese to form soft dough. Drop by spoonfuls on ungreased cookie sheet. Bake 8 to 10 minutes. Mix the butter and garlic powder. Brush over warm biscuits. And nothing on the back. There you go. Fearless Jean's cheese garlic biscuits. Believe it or not, in all of the recipes, unless I'm missing something, it could be just misplaced. They're all by order, like bread, meat, soups, things like that. There's just not a regular recipe for biscuits. There's cheese garlic biscuits. There's onion, like I think there's like cheesy onion biscuits. There's even a broccoli biscuit. So anyway, cheese garlic biscuits, or as this episode is called, vanilla wafer biscuits. Until next time, thanks for listening. And on this episode, I actually recorded a video, so thanks for watching as well.